Hey guys, and welcome. I am going to really try to do a weekly vlog this week. So it is Friday actually, and I'm going to be starting this vlog earlier just because it's a long weekend. It's May 24. May 24? Yeah, Victoria long weekend, whatever. Anyways, so yeah, it's a long weekend. There's no work this Monday. So yeah, as I said, it's Friday. Yesterday I went to a wedding. I had to help my cousins run their 360 video. So I had work yesterday at a wedding. 2 hours away, but it was beautiful. But I'm hella tired and I have a huge order that I need to complete for tomorrow. It's a Frozen theme order. Let me show you guys what I'm working on over here. I'm currently at my decks. Yeah, currently at my decks. So yeah, this is the order. I gotta make Hershey purses, 12 of them, M&M tubes, 8 of them. I normally sell, whoa, can you guys see me? Pause, sorry. Oh, I hate this tripod, but I don't know when my ass is going back to Philly for my so much stuff to tell you guys, but anyways, okay, so the order. I have to make 12 Hershey purses. I have to make 8 M&M tube treats. I have to make water bottle labels, party plates, and a cake topper. And then she just added to her order, so I have to update the invoice and reprint a new one. With some gift bag labels or whatever. So I gotta make those. Y'all, I don't remember if I actually said it in the last vlog that I was attempting to make. Because a lot of these previous like weekly vlogs were going to be like random stuff. That's if I even make them weekly vlogs, or if I don't title it as random vlogs. But yeah, you guys would have seen the stuff from that. But I feel like, what was I gonna say? Oh no, I don't remember if I shared it, but I was so close to making $1,000 in 1 week of like sales. 1 week of sales, and I actually hit the target that week. I think I made $1,173 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, and I am currently now at 12:48. So is that right? Oh, what was it? Was it 1,000? I don't, hold on. I know I posted it because I was so freaking excited. Yeah, it was $1,178.50 that I had made the week. So I was so excited! Like, you guys, for this being like my my own like thing, like I personally do, like out of the love, like out of my heart, and out of the creativity or the talent. That's the word that I was looking for, talent, because I am talented in this area. The talent that I have in this area, the fact that my talent is making me like money like that, like I'm just so excited. And I'm excited because like I know what I want this business to eventually be. Speaking of which, I want to show you guys my business cards. I just designed some new business cards because I'm trying to rebrand my business. Like I started this business back in 2014, and at that point, like I knew like I wanted it to be somewhere related with events or whatever, but I just didn't know like the route that it was going to take me on. And I still don't know where exactly I'm going to end up, because there's a lot of things that I like. It's almost like with my YouTube channel, or like with my social media elements. Like everybody's like, find a niche, and I'm just like, I kind of like to do everything, so I can't really sit down and solidify like one thing that I want to do. Like, I feel like I like to dibble and dabble and try and learn and like whatever I like. And I like a lot of things. Like, I relate to a lot of things. So you're never gonna just come here and be like, oh, just fashion or just beauty or just vlogs or just cooking or lifestyle or motivation, or you know what I mean. Like, I can't show my married life really yet in full because I don't live with my spouse, but you know what I mean. Like, it's just, there's a lot of elements to me. So I don't know, the whole like picking one thing, and that relates back to this business. Like, I can't just say, oh, I want to just do decorating. Like, I like decorating, I like creating favors, I like making or designing stuff to make the treats and stuff like that, and all of these different type of stuff. I like planning events, I like hosting events, I like a lot of things. Like, I like a lot of things, you know what I mean. So I don't know, but pray for me, y'all. This niche thing ain't gonna work for me though, but yeah. But yeah, so I started back in 2014, and I'm just like, I think I want to rebrand. I was even thinking about changing my business's name to something with my name, but I don't know what yet. Like, I was thinking of like Zoe's Creations or Zoe Creates or something, but I think those are taken. So I don't know, like, because, you know, I feel like sometimes you just have to elevate. But this business initially started as the reason why it has the name All Wrapped Up is because literally, like, I would wrap up everything. Like, it was initially like a basket. Like, I wish I could show you guys my first business card. It was literally like a basket that was tied up with a bow. And that's why it was all wrapped up, because you would get everything that you would purchase from me would come all wrapped up. I know, right? So, but then I branched out. People wanted favors. People wanted to know if I could do balloon arches. And then, like, these are things that I like to do, like, from a long time ago. So it's like second nature. Is that the word? Whatever. But yeah, it just comes so naturally, you know. So I love doing everything. I don't like picking one thing to stick to, because I'm really good at a lot of things, you know. Like changing my oxidant, yeah. So yeah, I don't know. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If I should keep the name All Wrapped Up, which I like, but I just feel like when you see All Wrapped Up, like, do you think of events? Like, what do you think of when you think of like all wrapped up? You know what I mean? I feel like in order for when I post my stuff, like, and they see my name, like, they're able to know, like, okay, she does stuff like relating to events and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So like, people would be more so to click on me and be like, hey, whatever. But I don't know, we'll figure it out. But I just got my business cards. These are my, okay, because my number's on the back. These are my new business cards. Like, she has a glue gun and wine, because that is so literally me. But when I do my new logo and stuff, I'm gonna make like a cartoon character of me with like my glue gun. I don't know what other thing I use a lot, but I know my glue gun I use a lot, so that was like perfect. But yeah, this is the theme that I'm working on now. It's Frozen. So these are the water bottle labels. These are done and printed. The M&M tubes are printed. The Hershey purses, they're cut out. I just have to like create them. Here are the plates. So I just got some clear plates. And ta-da! You got custom party plates. And what else? The Hershey's for the purses. I don't think I'm gonna wrap these this time or whatever. And then for the handles, I thought, okay, it's frozen, it's snow, so I'm gonna use pearls for the handles instead of like a silver chain or something. I just feel like it was gonna throw it off. I think these are gonna look so cute when I'm done. And cut out some snowflakes as like some little embellishments and stuff like that, people. Oh my god. And then for the bag pattern, I was in the dollar store actually, and I seen this pad of like designer paper. So I'm gonna use like some of these papers to like decorate the purses. Like, they have this nice, like, it's a Frozen theme, right? So like blue and silver, they have that. They also have like this snowy, and it was so hard to find anything with like snow because it's freaking May. Like Frozen in May? Really? I like this too. It kind of looks like snow, like, you know, like the glare that you get, like, you know? Yeah, this too I like the foil. I think I really want to use the foil to bring out the silver, but there's a next white and silver one that is so freaking pretty. Love this one. And this, baby. So I think I'm gonna use the white and silver pages instead, and then decorate those. And then I have to make the cake topper, which I will show you guys. Speaking of which, I have to do my reel for that because, yeah, I need to do my reel for that. I'm gonna put my business cards away, and I'm gonna get to work, you guys. This is what my old business card looked like. Yeah. Yeah, my old business cards. And I was literally down to 2, so that's good. My cousin wanted me to bring them with me yesterday when I went to the wedding, but they came yesterday. They didn't come on time when they were supposed to come on time. So I have 250 new business cards, thank God. I can put some in this order because this lady seems to like love me. I did an order. Bumbo cleat! Bumbo cleat! You couldn't just go in, Banty man. Sorry. But yeah, she just keeps adding to her order. And then there's this next girl that wants me to do some stuff for her, and she was just like, "Can you do this?" I'm like, yeah, I think so. She's like, "Oh my God, like, what can't you do?" Like, I don't know yet. I don't know what I can't do yet, you know? But yeah, guys, when I start to work, I'll put a little money touch. But people, this is for index cards, but I use it for my business cards. So it's not all gonna fit, but yeah, at least when I know that runs out, then I know I need to re-up. That'll be a good way to keep track. Here's the box. I'll be showing y'all my number. Alright guys, enough talking. How long have I been talking? 12 minutes? That's not bad. That's not bad. I miss you guys. I was just saying that in my other intro. I miss you guys so much. I'm so happy to be back. I'll try my best never to leave you guys like that ever again, I promise. Okay? So, let go. I don't know what to do first. And I don't know if I want to... Jesus, I don't know what I want to do first. Anyways, okay, those are done. Let's get to... Guys, later on in the evening, yeah? It is now 9:09. I finally finished cutting out everything that I need to make this cake topper. So this is what we are starting with. As I said, it is a Frozen themed cake topper. So these are the colors that I'm working with. These are the purple, the solid, and the glitter, the blue glitter, the regular blues, and silver. So this is what it's supposed to look like when it's finished. I have my letters here for her name, which is Anastasia. So I'm about to assemble this, and when I'm finished, I will come back and I'll show y'all what it looks like when it's done. But this is what it's gonna look like. I'm excited. I hope it looks good, like in real life. And yeah, that's just what I'm finna do. Did I mention to you guys that I'm going to work tomorrow? Tomorrow is Saturday. I don't do weekends in the office, but I'm gonna help out my boss this weekend because he's always so nice to me. So yeah. All right. Boom. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. Why is it not? Staying.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
You guys, I'm finished. Look at it. Okay, wait. Let me glue on the let me glue on the stack. This is the middle. You guys, look at my cake topper. Wait. Y'all, I made this. So it's gonna go in her nice little cake and it's gonna say 5 out of 7. Wow! Okay, let me do the rest of my order. And get the road on the show. Oh my god, I love how this came out. I feel like I should glue this right here. But I'm gonna make the back part to cover up all of the imperfections. And that is done. That was the thing that I was worried about the most. But I am super freaking happy about that. And I have to find the reel, do the reel. And yeah, that's that. Why are you not coming up, fam? Alright, let's see here. I can't believe I created this, y'all. OMG, let me take a picture. Roses, gorgeous. Luckily, I don't have work until 12 tomorrow. But, yeah, let me print these labels. What time is it? 10 o'clock? It's gonna be a long night. Let me print these. Whoop. That's how big it was, baby. Not me recording this whole thing and this thing wasn't recording. But anyways, here we go again. We're gonna repeat. It is now 12:14 at night. The last time I seen you guys it was like after 9. The babe is probably sleeping. But that's that. I am done with the people that order. The labels for her gift bags are complete. You guys seen me complete the cake topper. The plates are done. The tubs, the M&M minis are done. The water bottles are complete. And her Hershey purses, which really have Hershey's in there, guys. Hold on. Yeah, so it's literally a little purse with the Hershey's chocolate in there. so that's complete. I just gotta do a little bit more embellishments. I have to add like the little Velcro to open and close it. And then I was just saying to myself, I don't know if I should add like how I did the little dripping thing here. Yes, I'm gonna freaking do it. I'm gonna freaking do it. I'm gonna add it to the bottom of this and make it one hang down, so frozen. And then I'll probably just put her name like here and call that a day. But I'll have to get up in the morning time and do that. If I get up by 9, then I can do that and call it a day, package everything, and yeah. But I'm just gonna cut these out and put those away, and then get ready and go to my freaking bed, because as I said, I got work in the afternoon. And I'm supposed to get a car for my cousin for the weekend. Also, he didn't get anything in time by the time I finished today. So let's hope tomorrow I can get that, because I really want to do something this weekend. I don't know if I want to do like a brunch or if I just want to go out to eat or see if there's like something happening. But I know for sure Monday I do want to take some photos. I need to order some clothes or go shopping and make some outfits, because I haven't shopped like that in a long time. I actually have 3 that I can wear, but I don't want to do too many pictures with this hairstyle. Speaking of which, this hair, ironically, I did it for the wedding, but these are the same bundles from my wedding. Joel seen it and he was like, I love this hairstyle on you, only because he married me in it. Oh god. But yeah, thank you for coming to Anastasia's or Anastasia's. Why is one bigger than the other? I don't love that for me. Anyhow, I don't like how that printed out. Anyways, that is complete. Okay, so the drip thing now. The drip thing now. Too little for your size, so me grip you inside. That me call you, I roll back. See heaven between my thighs. Open wide, come to me right. What's it on the ocean when it's tight? On under nothing, have to revive and say, baby, love, be my love. Underneath of good comfort, type of will make him come right back. Never get a gal like me say it's my love. Would you love me? I mean, do your bum turn bum at me? Since I'm running like bull punch track, and me have good comfort, yeah. Me sit and bless him, money from press him, if him from passing, money press him. Such you make you feel good. Slap your hands in. Boy. Show y'all. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all the story. So yesterday, went to the wedding, right? People nearly missed the wedding. Why? Why did I nearly miss the wedding? So I'm gonna need 4 sheets. Nearly missed the wedding. Because Goody did I vomit them place. People want me some vomits. Vomits. Like, I up to now I'm trying to figure out what I ate, because I didn't eat. Up till now I'm not eat. Up till now I haven't even eaten nothing. Well, I had French fries when I got to the reception. When I finally made it to the reception, I got French fries. That's what I was like craving all day long. Literally, I was like, I want fries. I want fries. I want fries. Nobody wanted to get me the little fries, and I was begging for the little fries. Somebody never wanted to get me the little fries. Anyways, people, should I just cut this and then? Anyways, people, so we went to one of my cousin's friends ended up renting a room, and if it wasn't because I needed to come back to go to work, well, my other cousin needed to go back home anyway, so never mind, scratch that. But yeah, we all had to go to work the next day, so we didn't have the option of staying. The girl rented a room, and my head was hurting me, you know, like my head was hurting me. I had a headache from the night before, and so I was like, okay, let me try to take a nap, you know what I mean? So I was there and I was like, all right, cool. My cousins were like, all right, we're gonna go see what's going on, whatever, and I was like, all right, cool, I'm gonna stay here for a little bit, because the girl for the room was like, I'm gonna finish doing some work and then come up. She was like, I ain't gonna be missing anything anyway, so it's fine. So she was like, Zoe, you can stay, that's no problem. I was like, all right, cool, perfect, thank you. When me stop book till me can't book no more. Anyways, me a book, and like I'm just like, bro. Yeah, she was like, okay, I'm gonna go. She was like, okay, Zoe, I'm done. You ready? And I was like, like, guys, like I felt it. Like I kept going to the bathroom, wrapping up my hair, because I'm like, okay, like I feel it, but it's not coming up. It's like, all right, cool. I went and I drank like a ginger ale. The people that came in the bathroom, in the room to do housekeeping and everything, and I was just like, I had to keep getting up. I'm like, what the frig? Like I'm not feeling well. Like, can a girl just sleep? Anyways, at one point I'm like, all right, me can't take this no more. Ooh, blue on blue actually don't look that bad. Like it's supposed to mimic like something dripping. You know what I mean? Like, does it look like ice? It looks like ice, right? So I think I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it. So I'll put her name like at the top here, and then I'll just glue this to the inside, so when they lift it, they lift up everything. And yeah, or I can glue it to this part. I'm creative, okay? But yeah, me just go ahead and end up going to the bathroom one at a time, and people, me just shove my throat down my throat. Me just shove my throat, my finger down my throat. I was like, yep, that's it for today. And I'm gonna try to go lie down. I had to, the 360 was scheduled to start for something o'clock, 8 o'clock. So by like 7:30 I was setting my alarm, and I kept snoozing it. My cousin was like, girl, should we just cancel it? And I'm like, nah, I didn't come all the way over here. I promised the people them that they see it in the lobby, because we already set it up from like 1 o'clock. Just to be like, okay, no, I can't do it. I was like, no, I'm gonna have to thug it out, because, girl, the worst thing to do is like ruin somebody's wedding, especially when they've paid. Speaking of which, I need to get paid. Especially when they pay for a service or are expecting something and you don't deliver it. It's like, what the hell? So yeah, no, I'll pay. I mean, I'll do it, and I did it. So that was that. And then yeah, I didn't eat anything the night. Like when I went there, they brought out some French fries, and I ate down I ate the bowl of French fries, you guys. Like, it was so nice and hot, and everything had the right amount of salt. It was sea salt. It had the right amount of salt, everything, and it was just so good. And it hit the spot, but like everybody was, I felt so like out of place. Everybody was drinking, having fun, and hear me going to the bar every minute. They're like, "What do you want?" And I'm like, "A ginger ale." Jaja. But whatever. Ended up doing it. The 360 was lit. Everybody had so much fun. And it was so worth it. Like, so I'm happy that I thugged it out and went and made their day. Like, everybody had so much fun. If you're on my Instagram, you would have seen the bride and the groom. I'll probably insert some stuff, but it was so good. So good. Oh, and I need to do her birthday cup. Most people, well, if you order from me and it's a birthday, I usually include like a cup or a water bottle or something for the child, just as like a thank you, especially if you spent a lot of money. So yeah, let me print this lady's invoice. I love the pearls. It's like, yes, it's giving winter. Like, hello, it's my purse. Hi. Okay, I love it. I feel like I should do white, maybe put them one here, but sure, no matter. I want to see if I can find some pearl or, because what I was thinking is instead of putting like the rhinestone here to like close it as like the button, I was thinking to put like a little like snowflake or something. Or I could still do it. Put like a little snowflake and put a little rhinestone in the center. And then I don't know, like a bow on the end. Maybe that's doing too much. I think that should be good enough with the girl's name. Should I put her name? People them spending money though. Prices for them, they are go up though. Yeah. Because they seem to be a hot commodity. From me do the first one. I didn't know. How much are the purses? How much are the purses? Can I get a purse? I'm not doing chocolate purse. Big woman. I don't matter. I am absolutely joking. Order anything you want from me. Out of everything. Anyways, guys, I did the most. I will get up in the morning time and do the rest. I am going to wind down. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Let me print this invoice before I go to my bed. And yeah, see y'all in the morning. Yo, beer musket are there now? I am out. Oh, let's get ready for the bed. I'm gonna show y'all my craft room right now. Y'all, there is a thunderstorm going on. I am currently here at work. And yeah, we got a warning and everything. But this is currently what's happening and I'm scared. Hey guys, and I guess it should be the beginning of a new weekly vlog, but I'm just gonna put everything together and create something because I know I did not record at all. Why you have to get up?
I want to watch.
You want to watch?
Yeah. So you edit. So I can go in the comments and say, she took out the best part.
You're just such a nerd. Anyways, hi guys and welcome back. Haven't really done the best at recording, but it's been a busy couple of days. The last you guys seen me was Saturday morning when I was finishing up the Frozen themed order. You guys, the lady is obsessed. Like, she is obsessed with the order, and I am truly obsessed. Like, that so far is my favoritest like order. Oh, my armpits are shaved. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that is so far my favoritest order. But that was Saturday. Saturday I had to deliver that, and then Saturday, that was Saturday? Saturday, right? No. Saturday, what did I do Saturday? Saturday I went to work, as you guys would have seen. We had the little tornado. 2 people died from that tornado actually, because the amount of trees and stuff that fell down. Like one fell down and hit like an elderly lady while she was walking, because there was literally no time to get shelter. Like once we got the alert on our phone, like we looked up and it was a storm outside. So that was really unfortunate. So I went to work, came home, and I was pretty much in finishing up the frozen order, and then it was Sunday morning that I finished up, and you guys would have seen the lady came and picked it up around 9:30, and then I had to go and pick up a car from my cousin and then do some stuff. So I was on the road all day yesterday from about what, 10:30 till maybe about 10:30 at night. So yeah, I'm tired of driving, but I went and I got some stuff yesterday, so I wanted to share that with you guys. I got some stuff from my house and I'm super excited. I'm trying to, like, you know, spruce up the place a little bit. As I said, I'm trying to make the place, I don't know if I said it, but I'm trying to make my home feel homely. So yeah, we'll soon get into those contents and stuff like that. That'll be an all separate thing, but I'll share the hauls and stuff here for now and stuff. Oh, and then I went shopping in my cousin's closet. She called me and she was like, I'm giving away some stuff, but I want you to come over and pick what you want first or whatever. Her shoes didn't end up fitting me, but one of them did, but the heel was way too high. If you know, you know, I can't wear any high heels. So I got this bag. Cute. I like the blush pink right now. And stuff. And then I just got this simple everyday, or like every, like, you know, like going out, like I'm always wearing gold, so I feel like I need something with gold, and this is like cute. I used to have one before and then I wore it till it like no longer exists. And then she gave me some like shirts and stuff, which it's nothing like spectacular or anything like that, so there's nothing really necessary to see. Before I get into the house stuff, to show you guys what else I bought. I'm out of Got To Be, so I had to pick up a jar because I am about to go and do some content with my niece. Is going to be my photographer and videographer for
pan more and add in my tan. Add me on XYZ. Hi. I'm Kashaya, the niece, the favorite, the highly anticipated.
Whoa. Why is everybody that comes on my vlog like them turn fool? Like if it's not my goddaughter, it's you. Like I don't understand. Like what is wrong with y'all?
Highly awaited.
I got bare mad people in my life, but anyway, she's here today. She's gonna be my videographer because I need to shoot some content for Instagram. So I'm gonna do some batch content, try to get some reels in and stuff like that, which I'm really excited about. So she's here to help me for that. So I needed to spruce up my wig that I currently, well, not my wig, but my install that I currently have on. My frontal is lifting, so I got my Gots to Be spray, and then I just bought like a mini glue because I don't really use the glue too much, so this is okay for me for now. And then I got a new anklet. This is from the beauty supply store, guys. I got a new anklet. This was like $6. The one that I have right now, let me show y'all. I've had it on for probably about a year or so, and it's just starting to like change color, so you can kind of see the difference in the gold. Yeah, like this is kind of like a more tarnished, but this can still wear. But I just wanted something new, and I loved how this one looked. So this is the one that I got. Yes, baby. So got a new anklet. Gonna put that on and be shining, 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 shining. All of this glitter. Is that how the song goes? Or is it all of this glitter? I don't know. Something. All right, so now into the house things. Yeah, I need some pillows and stuff like that in my, I need some pillows for the bed, like to like dress it up, and then I also need some more pillows for like my living room, and I need some pillow covers to cover the ones that I have currently because it ain't doing it for me. And I didn't realize how many pillows I had. I think I have 4 or 6. I think I have 4, but anyways, I need some new pillows. So I went to this store yesterday and they had like some like basic like pillow like fillers and stuff. So I picked up 2 of those. And then I picked up like this as the pillow cover, just because I use both metallics in my house. I have silver stuff and I also love gold. I love gold. Like I don't see me living anywhere and not having gold in my house. So this was like the perfect, it's not silver, but it's gray, but it still ties in with the silver furniture that I do have, and also my couch, because my couch is like a darkish kind of gray, but my carpet is a light gray with a creamish white, so everything kind of pulls in and ties in together. So yeah, that was nice. The covers were $7.99 and the pillows were $4.99, and they were selling them already like put together for $15 or $14.99. And the lady was like, don't buy them separate, buy them the ones that are already put together, it's cheaper. And when I calculated it, I'm like $7.99 and $4.99, that's only like $13. So you ain't getting no extra $2 off of me, sorry. So yeah, that was that. I got 2 of those. And they also had like pillow covers, but I feel like I need to go with my pillow to get like the right size, because my pillows are slightly bigger than the ones that I bought yesterday. So yeah, gonna need to do that. I got this bath mat set. It's a chenille material. Yeah, I just want to feel like luxury, you know? I want to feel luxurious in my place, you know what I'm saying? Which I need to re-up on my I'm all out of wallflowers. I need to re-up. Whenever I catch the next sale, I catch the next sale. But yeah, I got this 2-piece set. It's you have a smaller mat and then a bigger mat, obviously, and this was 20 bucks. It wasn't bad for the type of carpet set that it is. I also got a sheet set. I got this print. It's like a nice little brown tan, soft pinkish, you know, not too girly but nice, you know what I'm saying, for the bed. And I needed some new like toothbrush cups, holders, things for the bathroom, so I got these. I like the frosted. The clear ones, I feel like, you know, after you use like your toothbrush and stuff like for a while, like it just makes it look dingy. I've never really had the greatest experience with like straight clear ones, so I opted for these ones. That way if there is a little bit of like imperfections on the inside, it can kind of block it out a little bit or whatever. So hopefully those work out for me. And those were like $3 each. If I went to Walmart, it would probably be a lot more. And then I got these kitchen towels because they're just larger and feel more like the quality feels a lot better. Kitchen towels. So I got this for my kitchen because my kitchen is black, white, and silver right now. So yeah, got this. This is perfect. I can use this all year round. Just wash it, reuse it, and yeah. So that's my little haul from yesterday. Yeah, now I'm going to do my hair, and then we're gonna walk around and just go look and scout and see which areas we can go and take pictures. Oh, I packed away the... Go and see where we can take pictures and come back and get ready, and then just go and take pictures and shoot some content. I'm excited. And I also love the fact that like I have like people who are kind of like in the same headspace in terms of getting things back together. Like Day is like killing it right now. Like everyday goods put on our face and our clothes and she gone. You know what I'm saying? So it's very motivating and stuff. So that's what I'm about to do. Fix up the goods here, little. It's a closure, so I don't know why I am taking this so far. Alright people, I'll be back when we're heading outside to go and look and see what I go on. Let me just do what I need to do and head out, okay? Bye! So guys, we made it outside. We are in Oh Jesus, hold on. Why is it so bright? Hold on. Okay, that's better. So yeah, we are walking the trail. Found one spot already to take pictures, but which outfit would I wear there?
Maybe number 2, the black one. The black one with the.
I don't think I can wear my heels on there.
Oh yeah, forget it. Don't they all have heels?
But not like the pointy. Oh no, it's not even
That one
pointy
has
though.
wedges
Still,
too. That's the second.
that's true. Okay, well we found one option. Like even in here.
I like trails. I ride
Look
my
at
bike
what?
in them.
No, but even this, like.
You want to see?
Okay, let's see.
Against the tree?
Or like just in the center, like with the trees. Like what if I stood like over here and you were like back there? Hold on, guys. Life of an Instagram, a YouTuber.
They get the whole. Well, you're kind of far. Yeah, you're way too far. Well, this is just right, bro. I really need to make them proper.
Yeah, well, duh. I just want to see like what the
I took like 5.
ambiance looks like. Yeah, I feel like this is more like if I'm doing like. It's not really for the dressed up outfits that I have.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like if it was more like casual, the stairs one will work. But like this area is more like if I was doing like streetwear, yeah. Regular work. Anyways, guys, we have to look out for coyotes and stuff like that.
Coyote.
You didn't see the sign?
I
Come
did,
back because my
but I
battery's
wasn't
dying too.
reading.
So guys, we took one set of pictures already. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Beautiful, beautiful roses. Roses. Going now to take the second look. I'm not excited for these shoes, but the outfit, bellissimo. Bellissimo! And this was a fluke outfit, okay? Because these weren't meant to be worn together, but they are. So yeah, we're heading to location number 2. And yeah, switched up the eye a little bit. I didn't really do much. I just add some little shimmers. Change the lip. You didn't even tell me.
Oh, it looks good. I like it.
Yeah.
It's light in the middle.
Yeah. My little ombre lip, you know, my little go-to. Okay, no, there's nothing on my teeth. Yeah, so let go. I'll see you guys when we get there. I'm gonna show you guys the process. Alright guys, time to see the magic, okay? This is behind the scenes of being an Instagram baddie, even though I'm not a baddie on Instagram, but shout out my photographer!
Don't ask me. Don't come look for me because I'm not coming.
What?
Like they can't follow me and ask for my what's it called. I'm not gonna.
Y'all, she made me wear the worst shoes
On
on
the
here.
best place. This is how you get the best photo.
Like the grung.
Oh no, it's pretty good. Or you could have done it up there.
What?
Like put the shoes on, but I think it's better.
God.
And do it in the front again. Or
Didn't I? God.
it's only a 2-second.
It's really not 2 seconds.
Okay, a 10-minute.
Oh Jesus, I couldn't even last in my birthday pictures. I just hope my toes don't look weird like the last time. You can see it in my toes.
Really?
I'm uncomfortable. Did I mention to you guys it's a holiday? It's Victoria Day. That's why I'm home. In case I didn't mention it.
We're both on the sides. It's like a rope.
Oh, thank you. I'm about. Huh? Oh, thank you. Thank you. There was makeup on here. Is it showing?
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
But I'm
If I drop.
Oh, it looks so good.
Let's see if I drop today.
like the sun is hitting your skin nicely. Look.
Ooh, okay. Should I do
wanna
the back
that?
first? Let me do it without first. All right, manager.
Get to work.
I was had an instant there, you guys, but okay, so that one done. Got the shot.
Get to work.
Yes, got the shot, got the reel, got the video scenes.
Go.
All right, on to the next. Okay, sorry. Put on my jacket, please, manager. Thank you. Come on, man. What kind of
Cover
manager?
the talent. Let's go.
Well, hello, turn it back
wrong way.
the right way.
Arm in.
Okay, god dang it, man.
Go.
Ow.
Going down. Cover the good.
We have until
Cover the
8:44. On to the next. We are on to
good.
Zit.
Man in a hurry.
We're on. She gonna be fine forever. Okay. Oh god. I feel so. Y'all, productivity is a thing. Okay, it's a thing. Anyways, see y'all when I see y'all at the next location. I was just like, girl, should we stop? And she was like, no. Let's do the last outfit. So last outfit, here we come. All right, guys, we're here. Shot number 3. Last one for the day. Boom. Okay, wait, let me put on my shoes first. Damn.
Imagine there was only one shoe.
You'd have to go back upstairs for it. Yeah.
You know where it is. You got
Ooh, my legs are front, or you said same way, right? Yeah. It's freezing, man. Wait, I can't see you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right on. Oh no, that's fine, and I can edit it. Okay, good.
Yeah. Or do you want to go in the sun?
Huh?
You want to go in the sun after?
No, not necessarily. These are bright. Like the clothes is hella bright.
I am the acting manager, creative director here right now. We're on site, on set.
Should have been getting you walking like this.
Oh, well, I can't really see what's going on, but I don't want to disclose the location for those who are
I didn't do with that. I meant with our cameras.
stalking. But let me tell you something. Being creative director, hard. You better keep this in the vlog. So editors will keep this in the vlog because I'm creative direction. What? Oh, you're facing this way? You're facing this way, but I.
Oh yeah.
Look down a little bit.
that's a wrap, you guys. We're finished. Ah! Such a productive day. Thank you, Shia. I love you so much.
You're welcome. What's that? What's all that black? Oh, they're shooting the actual thing. What is she? Let's go. I'm not trying to get caught.
Beautiful roses, roses. What? I'm not Ubering you home, you know.
So how am I getting there?
Take the bus. What? Get the fuck out of here. You think $30 you having to spend on transportation?
Yeah.
Okay, that means I ain't feeding you.
Put it in the comment section.
That means I ain't feeding you.
Put a one. Oh, put a one.
I'm not doing none of that stuff.
Put a one if I'm worth it after all this work.
It's
Put a
either
two
I
if I'm
feed
not
her.
worth it. Put it in the comment section down below.
It's either
Like,
I
comment,
feed
share,
her.
subscribe.
You guys, I Ubered her here. So it's either I feed her or she gets Uber home.
Or deluxe package, 2-for-1 special.
Can't do that. That's what, a $50?
Show them us breaking the law.
That's a $50 That's a $50 day.
Ask them.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Is it
Y'all, when I was
$50?
picking her up from school,
Was this worth
couldn't
$50?
couldn't do extracurricular activities.
Never went to school.
Picked her up from
Never went to school. That's how I got these street smart skills. Take pictures like this. Never went to school.
Y'all, later, okay? Talk to you a little more. So guys, we're gonna go to Dairy Queen now after our long day of work. We're gonna go to Dairy Queen. What do you want to eat? You don't really have much options. It's Popeyes, Wendy's.
Papaya.
Yeah, sorry. Churches.
Whatever. It doesn't matter.
You can
I don't
get,
want
like,
Wendy's. I don't.
something from the value meal.
I said I don't want Wendy's.
Yeah, either place we go, something from the value meal. Look like I got money.
Yes.
I'm a struggling broke person. No, right at this very second. Not for the rest of my life. I am going to be rich. We know this. I am rich. You're right. Oh God, Joel would be like, "You're right, Kashaya." He would be like that. He's so like affirmation, affirmation, affirmation.
I didn't say who.
Oh, my husband, Joel.
Oh.
Sorry.
I just said you're right. That's it.
Oh, sorry.
I heard that.
I hope I'm not showing out too much so that y'all know where I be living. 'Cause... Anyways, we're gonna walk and see if Dairy Queen is open. If it is, I'll holla back. Woo woo! Hey guys, it is now 11:39. You guys see my eyes? I am so tired, but I feel so good. I was so productive today. I think this is where I'm gonna end this weekly vlog. I don't normally end weekly vlogs on Mondays, but it's a holiday. It was something different, so I think I'm gonna end this weekly vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy this week's vlog. Comment down below, let me know what you guys thought. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, I'll try to share my pictures. If I didn't include them in the vlog, or even if I did, I'll try to include some on the community page. So be sure to check out the community page, you guys, because I do a lot of posts there from time to time if I have questions and stuff like that, or if I want feedback or anything like that. So, or make announcements also. So be sure to check out the community page as well. Again, as I said, this is where I'm going to be ending today's vlog. If you are new to my channel, be sure to hit subscribe. If you are returning, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. And I will see you guys in my next video, whenever that is, whatever that is. Until then, thank you guys again for stopping by today, and I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.